TikTok Lite, the truth about earning money. So hey guys, this video we're gonna talk about TikTok Lite, the truth about earning money. So the promise versus the reality, what they claim. Earn money simply by watching your favorite short form videos, passive income while you scroll. The reality, TikTok Lite is a passive consumption app only. You cannot create or upload content. The reward program is locked to select regions: Japan, South Korea, France, and Spain. So exact requirements they don't show upfront. So age verification, you must be 18 and above and have an ID or bank transaction. Account type, personal account only. Business profiles are excluded. Regional lock active only in a selected countries, often blocked while traveling abroad. Before you even open the app, TikTok Lite enforces strict eligibility rules. Most users discover too late. This barrier significantly limits who can actually participate in the reward program. So yeah, traveling abroad, you may lose access to reward even if you are eligible in your home country. So earning mechanism and hard limits, daily mission, log in daily like videos and follow creators to accumulate points. Consistency is mandatory. Skip a day and you'll fall behind. Watch time requires 25 to 60 minutes daily to hit the target rewards. And strict caps, the app enforces hard daily limits on points and watch time, preventing any attempt to add meaningful income. Income ceiling, expect 15 to 20 per month at best, depending on activity and promotional bonuses. Find worth your time. The real way you earn is genuine payout come from referral, inviting new users who complete 10 days check-in streak. Passive watching alone yields minimal returns. Bottom line, TikTok Lite is pocket change, not a paycheck. If you already scroll daily, treat it as a minor bonus, but don't count on it replacing any income. So good for existing scrollers wanting a small bonus, not for anyone seeking a real income and side hustle earning. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have no question, concerns, sabi daw question below, guys. I'll answer as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.